If you're like me, you love hunting, and you know that it's about outsmarting the deer. Having said that, I love going down the rabbit hole of rifles, cartridges and bullets. But that's all stuff we can categorize as efficiency work or fine-tuning. It's where you optimize a plan that's already great. The first step is effectiveness, laying that plan. And Peter Drucker, the father of management consulting, has something to say about efficiency versus effectiveness, something that you as a hunter can learn from. Here's what he has to say. There's nothing quite so useless as doing with great efficiency something that should not be done at all. So what does that mean? It means you need to have a solid plan for how you'll hunt before you join me down the rabbit hole. How do you do that? I use the hunting process to structure everything hunting. 6 universal building blocks, or 2 archetype versions. It'll help you connect the dots from research to execution. It'll help you make a plan for outsmarting that deer. Help you make the right choices regarding rifles, cartridges and bullets when you get to the efficiency stage. Over time I'll post more videos on this process and how to use it. Check out more videos on what can hunters learn from in this playlist. Or check out the Efficient Hunting ebook via this link. Or check out the video on our quick release rifle sling if you're already down the efficiency rabbit hole and want to see how you can get a little faster when hunting.